Verb drill. The verb to go. Ega. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be talking about the verb to go. Ega. In pronoun categories, we have the first one, na-aga akwụkwọ. Na-aga akwụkwọ. That is, I'm going to school. Na-aga akwụkwọ. We have the second person singular. Ị gara akwụkwọ. Ị gara akwụkwọ. That is, you went to school. Moving on, you have the third person singular. Ọ gara ụnyaahụ. Ọ gara ụnyaahụ. That is, he or she went yesterday. Yeah, we have the plural form of this verb to go. First, we have anyị. Anyị ga-aga ụka taa. Anyị ga-aga ụka taa. We will go to church today. We will go to church today. Second person plural, you have unu. You know, when we're talking about the plural unu, the plural you. Unu gara ahịa taa. Unu gara ahịa taa. That is, did you go to market today? And then finally, in the pronoun categories, we have ha. Ha ga-aga. Ha ga-aga. That is, there we go. Then, in its usage and sample sentences, you have anyị ga-aga mmiri taa. Anyị ga-aga ichu mmiri taa. We will go to fetch water today. We will go to fetch water today. You also have unu gara ụka. Unu gara ụka. Unu gara ụka. You can also have ha gara mgbe ahụ. Ha gara mgbe ahụ. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe and share. Remember as well to practice so you can internalize Igbo language. Daalụnụ.